Hi everyone, this is Professor Sona working as Assistant Professor at Government Law College Madurai. Right now I'm doing a faculty development program conducted by Ramanujam College Delhi, and as a part of the program, this is my assignment regarding video lecture. In this video I would like to discuss about the important provisions which everyone of us should know during this COVID-19 pandemic situation. So COVID-19 has been a crucial period for all of us. Day by day, we were being under the regulations imposed by the government. As a common public, many of you may have a doubt that why should we obey to all the regulations imposed by the government, and what will be the consequence if we disobey any of the regulations or rules imposed by the government during this COVID-19 pandemic situation. We have to know the four important provisions in Indian Penal Code which deals with the current situation. To begin with, Section 188 of Indian Penal Code, Section 269, Section 270 and 271 are the four important provisions which every individual should take note of during this pandemic situation. We all know that ignorance of law is inexcusable. Therefore, we have to equip ourselves with the law so that we can be very careful and we can face the legal consequence in case if there is no violation. So, to begin with, Section 188 of Indian Penal Code, which says that in case of any disobedience to the order duly promulgated by the public servant will be punishable under Indian Penal Code. So you may all have a doubt that who is a public servant. Indian Penal Code defines under section 21 who or can be the public servant, which includes the local authority also. So as a responsible situation, we have to be obeying the rules and regulations issued by the government officials and the public servant. In case if there is any disobedience, then it shall be punishable under section 188. The next two important provisions will be section 269 and 270. And before that, section 188 empowers the police officer to arrest any person who violate the order promulgated by the public servant. And even FIR can be registered against a person who is disobeying the guidelines and the regulations issued by the government. 269 and 270 are the most important provisions in this current scenario. So 269 deals with negligent act likely to spread infection of disease dangerous to life. 270 deals with malignant act likely to spread infection of disease dangerous to life. So any person who knowingly or who has been already infected by the virus negligently or malignantly try to spread the disease to third party can be punished under Indian Penal Code. Under section 269, the imprisonment shall be extended for a period of 6 months or with fine or with both. Under section 270, the imprisonment shall be for a period of 2 years or with fine or with both. The next important section we have to take note is section 271 of Indian Penal Code, which says that any person knowingly disobey the quarantine rules will be facing the jail for a period of 6 months. We have been watching news all these days that persons who have traveled from abroad or persons who have crossed the state borders and the district borders has been isolated and kept under observation, and they have been put under quarantine regulations. Suppose in case a person tries to escape from his residence or in any way he tried to spread the disease to another person, then he is knowingly disobeying the quarantine rules. Therefore, such person can be punished under section 271. Apart from this, we have Epidemic Disease Act 1897, which has been invoked after 100 years because of this COVID-19 pandemic situation. This act provides a better prevention for the spread of dangerous epidemic disease. This act also provides enormous power to the central and state government to make new regulations and rules to control the spread of disease. And the state may authorize any of its officer or agency to take such measure if the state feel that the public at large is threatened with an outbreak of any dangerous epidemic or pandemic disease. Any person who is disobeying the regulations or orders issued by the government shall be deemed to commit an offence under section 188 of Indian Penal Code. So he will be punished under the law for disobeying the regulations imposed by the government. These regulations and rules are imposed by our government only for the welfare of public. So being a responsible citizen of this country, every one of us is bound to obey the regulations for the welfare of the nation and for welfare of ourselves. So let us all act as a responsible situation, know our laws and act promptly to face this COVID-19 pandemic situation. Thank you for listening. Hope this video is useful for you.